Lila Rose, is fighting to ban abortion rights completely. Her group, Live Action, is at the forefront of a new generation of women who believe abortion is not only wrong, but criminal.
We were thrilled learning that the Roe v. Wade had been overturned. It's not complete justice.
Do you think abortion should be criminalized? In other words, doctors and people who help women have abortions and women themselves should be arrested or fined?
Abortion is homicide and it should be treated as such.
So what you're saying is that women, in your estimation, should not have a choice.
Homicide should not be something that is permitted, celebrated, tax-funded in our communities, period.
Dr. Shaw fears that is where the next round of this fight may be headed. At least 10 states have effectively banned abortion since Friday's ruling, although 2 bans are already being challenged in court. Another 5 states are expected to enact trigger laws limiting abortions in the coming days and weeks. Soon, abortion could be illegal or extremely limited in more than half of America. At least 9 states looking to ban abortion have no exception for rape or incest. If a woman is raped or she's impregnated by a relative, why should that woman have to go through with the pregnancy and bring that baby into this world?
Rape is horrific, but the solution to sexual violence, if there's a pregnancy that has resulted, abortion is not going to take away the trauma that that woman or girl endured. Violence is not going to stop the circle of violence.
Texas has already passed a law that criminalizes abortion providers.
After SB 8 was passed in Texas in September 2021, we saw patients from Texas come to us for abortion care, and we anticipate that influx of patients is going to increase.
She's 7 weeks, 4 days.
Okay, any medical problems?
No.
Dr. Shaw argues all bans do is traumatize women, especially the poor and medically underserved, as these clinics can be their only access to any health care at all. Shaw and Rose do agree on one thing.
I mean, our country has devastatingly poor bad maternal mortality rates, especially among Black women.
I'm sure you're aware that there's a really high rate of maternal mortality and morbidity among people of color.
Shaw says abortion is only one of the many options she gives.
So abortion is not health care and helping women lower maternal mortality rates.
Why should a woman not have agency over her body?
Well, of course a woman should have agency over her own body. What we're contesting and what we're acknowledging is that in a pregnancy there's 2 bodies.
This is our baby!
And so enters yet another dispute. Is a fetus a person who should enjoy the same human rights? Here are the words of one of the 5 justices who overturned Roe v. Wade during his confirmation hearings.
A fetus is not a person.
No matter what science says, Dr. Shaw says history has shown, legal or not, women will get abortions. The question is, will they be safe or potentially deadly?
So people are still going to do whatever it takes to get that care. Whether that means that they're going to travel to other states or seek pills online.
There are so many on both sides of the debate. I'm going to bring in a team of great minds to explore the possibilities and look at why Democrats didn't make Roe the law of the land when they had the opportunity. Coming up next.